It was very good that we played today's match, and today was it was very important. It's clear for me as a coach, and of course the players themselves. The second game was a little bit better. I guess still we will have to continue to work. We need to improve in certain areas of the game, but I'm very hopeful, very hopeful that Wednesday when we play with Midyama, we must be able to improve and then see the way forward in the next Sunday friendly against the Togolese team before the match itself. Yeah, we've had time to discuss about the way forward, how to play without the ball, how to play with the ball, how to move, and yes, on the video analysis and the things we want to do, it seems clear that they understand. What it means that we have to work a little more on the field to exercise and of course, patiently improve. Of course, even though if we had not played a match and we were just training, we go into Midyama's game, of course, you can imagine what will happen. And so today was a very low-profile match, and for us to know exactly what is going on, and so that is the positive thing. And so we're going to prepare and make sure we play Midyama and do well. We should be. At least we should, from what we've seen today, we should have at least 20-30% more, and that is what we'll be working on. Wednesday, we should see a lot of improvement, and then on Sunday, of course, we want to improve, and then before the match itself.